What don't you like?
Motorcycles.
Why don't you like motorcycles?
Because I'm too small.
Okay. Will you ever like motorcycles?
No.
Okay.
I like small motorcycles.
Okay.
Even an adult, you want like a motorcycle, Simar? I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Mama. Okay. Are you making up a video?
Yes. So
Okay.
I can remember these moments with you guys.
Can I see? So, Mama, what's happening here?
We're just talking about motorcycles.
Motorcycles have a special, they have a special horn, right? Can I take a picture of the motorcycle?
Okay.
A video of